Hey guys, in this video I will talk about how to install WordPress on Heroku. So previously I made a video about this topic, but the video was not too successful because of some database error. So I have created a Heroku compatible WordPress. So the WordPress is based on the latest WordPress version 5.4.2. But the question is why? Because it is the best solution for learning WordPress or testing some themes or plugins. Okay, so how to deploy it? To deploy it, you just need a remote MySQL database, a Heroku account, and some basic knowledge. So, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. To deploy it, you can go to the Heroku wordpress.hin.live or go to my GitHub. Here you can find the readme.md. Here you can find the deploy to Heroku button. Okay, so tap that deploy to Heroku button. Okay, so give it a app name. Okay, so it will need a database, MySQL database. Please do not use this free MySQL database. Do not use any free MySQL databases services. So what do you get a MySQL remote database? So if you can go to the Heroku element, and here you can find MySQL for free, but I am using my Clever Cloud. You can create an account. 10 MB of any database will be free. And this is the host. So let's paste this host, database name, database password, database user. Okay, now deploy app. To deploy this app, okay, so the WordPress is installed. This is the WordPress installation page. Okay, tap continue. You don't need the database because you already configured it. So give a site title, that is Tuhin, and give a username, and this is the password. Install WordPress. Okay, so WordPress is installed. Login. This is the username and password. Okay, so WordPress is logged in, and this is a fully functional WordPress. Okay, you can create a post as well. Hello world, you can add a new post. Okay, so here you can post to him. Okay, so you can publish this as well. But if you want to upload any statics or something, please do not use this the local upload, because if Dino will restart, you will lose everything. So if you want to image, so just insert from URL and give the URL link. Okay, so let's go to your WordPress. I already configured two themes. This is the two themes, Matangi and 2020. These will never delete. Okay, and I installed two plugin WordPress file manager to download your test files, and WP term, that is a shell that is a cell terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal. You can do basic tasks, right? This will not provide you a root access, but yeah, you can do many tasks. Okay, so why this is important, why this is why I am using this as a development WordPress, because basically this is very easy to use. Okay, if you want to reset your WordPress, just go your Heroku, just tap that restart all dyno, restart all dyno, go to your database, reset your database, reset your database. After that, go to your URL. This is the first installation page. So you can reset your WordPress very quickly, very easily, and you can use it very fast as well. So I am using this as a test WordPress development server. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not use this as your production server or like production WordPress. Don't use this. This is not a permanent option. This is for only development.